Hi, everyone. Now, I've always quite fancied playing detective, to be completely honest, always been quite an interest of mine. And now I can, and so can you too, in the world of cybersecurity. I really do love this for so many reasons. I think the approach here just helps get more and more people involved. That awareness, I think, is absolutely critical, and making it engaging and fun too, but learning along the way. So what am I talking about here? Well, it's called Cyber Bracketology. It's a new initiative and it's from Secure Works. I'd love to showcase it for all those reasons I just mentioned. And it also really helps you to cut through the noise and the complexity when it comes to developing your cyber security strategy. It really helps you really reflect and consider all the different steps involved, what your priorities are. So when it comes to finding that best mix of detection, response, readiness, and vendor experience, there really is quite a pick and mix. There's so many choices at hand. So how do you drill through that? Well, here you can look at your cybersecurity bracket, you fill it in, you select your top 4 cyber defense strategies, and even better, you get to compare it against other people too. I love that. I think when we think about how many bad actors are increasingly coming together right now to advance, bad intentions, around increasing cyber attacks, we need to come together too. And that takes knowledge sharing. It's so vital, but it also takes, engaging approaches to get more and more people involved and democratize access to these learning and sharing opportunities too, and also to help spread the word. So I really hope you find this helpful. And to play, all you need to do is click a strategy to advance it to the next round, and you will end up with your top 4. Then you can go and compare it, share those results on social, and see other people's results as well. And there's also a stack of supporting information along the way behind the icons and just supporting you with extra knowledge, loads of blog resources as well. I'd recommend checking out around the website. So to get you started, here's my results. More of this coming soon. I'd love to see what you've identified as your priority areas. Let's detect these threats together. Let's come together and spread the word too. Thanks so much for listening and enjoy.